Cake face palette, I take cherry on top and space in the center. Pink here is called Cake Face. LA Girl Pro Maven. So I'm taking all 4 colors to do this look. If you want to learn how to do it, keep watching. Maven, this is my transition color. I go above my crease. Cherry on top and do the same thing. Cake face. And you're just gonna fill that all in. Second layer is way more vibrant. Let's go above your natural crease if you have wooded eye. Blend. Like I said, windshield wiper motion. See how that's looking? I like to take it like deep into the eye. Space. I'm gonna put that right in the inner tear duct. Cake face to do the lower half of the lash. Cherry on top for the other half. I feel like the shadow finished the eye. Black liner, tight line. This just made the eye stand out more. Do you see the difference? Just to finish the eye. L'Oreal Infallible. Just put that right at the highest point of the face. Mascara for the lower lash. Mocha Mami to contour the face. Some liquid highlighter. The nose. Over the brow bone. LA Girl Brown Lip Liner. See-Through by MAC. Hot Chocolate by Fenty. And I like to overdraw. It's the final look.